need y'all in this video. Hey, Veterans Day. How you doing? It's your boy Q with my lovely wife right here. We're just now getting out of church. Next one, I had to get this quick blog before I feed my baby. But let's go see what the veterans. Well, it's Veterans Day tomorrow. But like I said, the Corvette Club, this is their second annual Veterans Day car show. So I'm gonna bring this to y'all. What you young men got going on?
All right, brother. How you doing?
Wonderful thing.
Trying to make a day. How about yourself?
Just getting out of church and worshiping the Lord, and now it's time to see these beautiful cars and feed my wife. It's a nice truck right here too. I love that too.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, sir. Less sun. You got to worry about burning up.
Y'all make some noise for Rebecca.
Thank you. What an intro from my girl Santa, the Cokie Queen. I am so blessed to have her as part of my family, you guys. Yes, I do report your morning traffic. My name is Rebecca Davis, but today I will be in traffic. I will be in the parade, car number 8. So give it up for car number 8 when it goes by. Yeah. Woo! Oh, there we are. Nice. She's priming it all up for me. I love it. It's beautiful. I just appreciate being out here with you guys. Appreciate you guys listening too. So I am the host or the co-host for First News. It is Arkansas's largest conservative attack show in the morning, KARN. So we give you all of your news and keep it a little fun as well. But we appreciate you guys listening.
You know what I have to say? One other thing. Another gentleman that made us feel welcome along with Jason Irby. I haven't seen him today. Hunter Bell with Bell Chevrolet. Y'all give it up for Bell Chevrolet. All right, now I'm going to turn you over to this dynamic DJ. Make some noise one more time from Mom, baby Mom.
See, she clouded. There we go. That's all I did. For my girls like the team. Let's go.
So cute.
Oh. Mario, come back.
Y'all have fun. Enjoy yourselves.
Yeah, we are.
I want to see.
They were looking at this.
Oh, I don't know nothing about it. Y'all gotta explain that to me. I'm loving the motor.
No, those are medals and ribbons.
Okay. Well, I tell everybody thank you for their service. Whoa! Now this is different. Them foes? Them ain't no foes, them twos. The foes make it look big, boy. Tell me something about y'all group.
Man, we just established in 2024, Arkansas Slings United. It's a group of brothers, man, that just came together with slingshots, and we united for a common cause. We love to ride, we love to have fun, we love to get back to the community.
What's up? Got these brothers right here holding it down. Got the quiet one over here. But he's slick. He's slick in an oil if he's over quiet. But yeah, man, y'all got some nice rides out here, man. Shoot, one day somebody gonna talk me to get one. She want one so bad. Ooh, these roaches. Ooh. I don't have nowhere to put it. I got 7 cars at the house. I already built a garage. It's full. Ooh, this thing nice.
Thank you for coming out.
This is the first time I seen a spoiler on one of these bad boys. I never seen a spoiler on them. Hey.
Just for me.
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
How you doing?
All right, and you?
Good.
Good. Thank you for service.
Thank you. Thank you.
What we got here? Got that good popcorn kernel?
Popcorn is about to be really delicious.
And what else is there?
Straight caramel.
Let me get the caramel because my wife is in the car right now. I know she needs some.
Okay, what size would you like?
The big one.
Okay.
Yeah, I know I had to give my baby something to snack on, y'all. She like that kettle.
Doing good. That's Q.
Yep.
What's up, Q?
Up here vlogging again.
All right, vlogging again. Well, you need to talk to me because I'm recording.
BJ Beats.
Here, my sweetie.
Thank you.
While she sat and waited, won't let me vlog, y'all, I had to reward her. So they had cheddar and they had caramel. And I didn't know you wanted cheddar or not, so I just got caramel.
That's fine. Thank you.
All right. But if y'all haven't subscribed, subscribe. Click that bell to get all the activities and notifications, everything. Like I said, join the movement. It's your boy Q.